Oh, yeah. I got another one of these. Oh, yeah. Guess where I'm at? Popeyes chicken. Baby, been screaming about this chicken sandwich for about a week now, and she coming out without it. I know she mad.
You said fries?
Huh?
You said fries?
Yeah, fries or what?
Cajun fries?
No, French fries.
I only seen Cajun fries.
Popeyes sell regular French fries. I believe it. But I know you want that chicken sandwich. Okay, we talking shit with that. Go get that chicken, baby. She go get that chicken. She is not gonna give up without that chicken. They gonna get that chicken sandwich. Popeyes. We're gonna get that chicken sandwich from Popeyes. She about to let y'all know what that shit hitting on. I ain't lying. She been screaming about it about 3 or 4 days. I want that chicken sandwich. I want that chicken sandwich. She making the same big deal everybody else made. For what, I don't know. I guess because everybody else made it, I don't know. She want that chicken sandwich though. I said, yeah, you gonna go home and cook. She told me she gonna cook some shrimp and grits. Nice. No, you could get you one too. I said, okay. Now you gonna make me get the chicken sandwich too, so we gonna try the chicken sandwich together. So I had to try the chicken sandwich. Cause she want this chicken sandwich. Been trying to get me to stop. I passed by Popeyes for a week. She wanted even more. Every time I ride by, she wanted even more. She wanted the chicken sandwich. We gonna see. We gonna see what the chicken sandwich do. How about that? I'm gonna bring y'all back in. Once it looked like she grabbing her bag and stuff, then I started having her back up in a minute. So when she get in with her chicken sandwich, we gonna see just how good this chicken sandwich is. How about that? Now your Popeye chicken sandwich. You wanna hold it up and show us something? You tell them what you think about it.
Okay, y'all, so we haven't tried the Popeyes chicken sandwich yet. This is our first time trying it. Well, they gave me some free fries too. I ain't mad at that. I should have told them extra sauce. Mine's looking like Boopsie sandwich. A little dry. That's what it looked like. Sit down, you open.
Yeah, because you trying to go to Popeye.
A little salty. I wonder do they season their own chicken? Or is it the breading?
Probably the batter. Popeyes do.
It's a little saucy, y'all. Oh, that's just my taste buds.
You want one for dinner too? Why? Why? You can get you one for dinner and one for breakfast. I figure you'll figure that's romantic. No?
Ain't all that, y'all. Chicken sandwich. These fries good though.
So you saying you might as well went to churches?
But I don't eat no damn churches.
Ain't nothing wrong with churches. A little grease don't hurt nobody. I thought I had two biscuits. Let me grab my mind first.
Cause I don't want to touch the thing.
Touch what?
Your truck part.
You don't want one for dinner and breakfast though?
I'm okay.
I'm gonna surprise you, what? I'm gonna surprise you.
This one was perfect.
No, I'm gonna get you one for dinner. I'm gonna get you one for breakfast. And then next weekend, I'll bring you to Popeyes and we can sit down and eat. How about that?
One is enough.
No, we just sit down and eat. And we get them to bring some candles, get some of the candles from the dollar store. Then we put a little candle on the table and sit. And you can order you a special chicken sandwich just the way you like it. Just for that night. I ain't gonna do it twice. But I'm gonna get you one for dinner and one for breakfast.
Try yours. Let the world know what yours tastes like.
I already know what it tastes like.
What?
A chicken sandwich.
Yeah, do.
That could have came from anywhere. I could have went to Royal Farms and got one of them chicken biscuits and cheese with an egg on it and been alright. There ain't nothing different.
You could have. I tell you one thing though. You gotta worry about me asking for another one.
No, I'm gonna get you like 3 more. Matter of fact, you can have half of mine. If you don't even want another half, you can't eat 1.5. So people just eat one and be done, like one and done.
I'm gonna eat one and be done.
So you gonna never buy this sandwich again.
I ain't saying I ain't gonna never buy it again, but I'm satisfied with this one. I just wanted to know what the hype was about. What everybody was talking about.
Yeah. So basically,
I can tell you one thing. The hype wasn't where it was at.
I'm gonna find a Popeyes buffet and you can eat all the Popeyes chicken sandwiches you want. I rode around this place for a week. And you got mad and everything. You was like, I want a chicken sandwich. You don't remember that?
I did not get mad.
You, I said, I'm gonna take you to churches. Churches got chicken sandwich. What you say?
That was different though.
Don't nobody eat no damn churches.
That was different.
That ain't what you said?
Anybody eat no churches?
Huh? Apparently nobody don't eat Popeyes either. You don't want that damn sandwich no more.
I just wanted to see what that was about.
So it's curiosity.
Curiosity.
Like I want no way to control the world or not. Oh yeah, go get the new chicken sandwich. Everybody lying. This chicken sandwich, this chicken sandwich.
Well, I mean, I feel like
As soon as they eat the chicken sandwich, they walking straight to the nearest city hall and lining up in the middle of the street. The world is over.
I feel like this. We did good. Because this chicken sandwich been out for a few months now. And we just going.
Yeah, you did do good. Cause usually the trend, you know, that's usually where people be at. Usually. Not in my eyes, but people.
I mean, the world made it seem like it was to die for.
Yeah, that's cause they had a whole bunch of chicken they had to get rid of. Well, they went to a chicken liquidation. They're like, we can get these for 10 cents and sell them for $3. Let's buy 20 million of them. Right now, somebody probably gotta have one every week.
Ain't even that deep. It's alright though. Like I said, it ain't nothing that I'll definitely go back tomorrow and buy.
I thought that. So you don't want it for them. I got a coupon though. For real.
No.
They only pass them out in the hood though. They ain't put them everywhere. They just pass them out in the hood. Buy one, get one free.
But what hood you been in to get one? What hood you been in to get one?
Leaving from work, coming through downtown, and then sun blew on my windshield, so I stopped and I got down. I walked out there and picked it up. It was a coupon for a chicken sandwich. I said, well, they been trying to get me to go here for a week. That must be a sign. I said, you know what? I'm gonna make sure we go there Saturday. And look where we went. But I left the coupon home.
I was about to say, nah, I didn't use a coupon.
But yeah, I mean, you know, that was the sign that I need to take you there. And you found what you was looking for. Now, we probably gonna eat chicken sandwiches 4 times a week. You don't think so?
First of all, this meal ain't even worth the $20 I just paid for it. I don't understand how combo is $6.99
for a chicken combo. The sandwich $4. You didn't see that thing say chicken sandwich world American new great chicken sandwich $3.99. The best sandwich in the town. You ain't saw that sign?
Okay,
You ain't see that?
I said $6.99 per combo. When we got 2 combos, how the hell this shit came out to $20? Exactly.
I don't know, babe. You ain't had to check that while you was in there?
Nah, I just paid it.
What you did? Let it pass?
Kind of
Something
how
like
you
what
did
I
that
did
drink
with
with
2
raw.
drinks back there. Drink said 99 cents. 32-ounce drink. I'm like, okay, boom. About to get me one of these, babe, one of these. I whip out a little $2. I'm like, okay. Pay for these, junk. Get to the counter. $3.19. $3.19. I ain't gonna question him. Here you go, sir. Just leave this alone. Ain't gonna be the guy that makes the big deal about the sign that says 99 cents.
We gotta get out of that though. People be taking advantage.
Nah, they don't be taking advantage. They heard it so. It moved. So anyway, that's her chicken sandwich.
This is actually a biscuit. It's not a chicken sandwich. But I do want to tell y'all this. That chicken sandwich was not all that. For real, for real. Y'all boasted on like it was just amazing. That shit was salty as hell. I will not be having another one. But anyway.
I'm gonna get a couple of more. I'm gonna try to get her at least one a week. Since we rolled by, I just want Popeyes. Y'all took her to a nice restaurant. I said, I'm gonna take you to Churches. There's one downtown. We go downtown. Oh, I think it's down this way. I gotta turn this way. It's a Popeyes across from the Churches. We're gonna go right there. Take her to the nice little restaurant. You ain't right. You ain't right. No, you wanted a Popeye chicken sandwich, remember? You want a Popeye chicken sandwich.
So,
guess what? I should have got doggone, took her behind right to Popeyes and got that same chicken sandwich. She just said, "Won't that good?"
I would have been mad.
Instead of taking it where I took her at, man. That's crazy. Mad. She had to have it, though. But anyway, subscribe, like, comment. Keep up with us. Peace. Oh, yeah. I got another one of these. Oh, yeah. You been napping, man. Show is over.
What did you think, babe? Give your honest opinion.
About to try to go get my damn money back. That was what I think. The hell with that sound. I could have made that shit in the oven. You could buy them out of Walmart in the 20 pack in the frozen food section. Straight up. Like
yeah.
That.
For real, for real.
What I think.
All right, y'all.
Y'all might make me turn vegan.
Vegan?
That. No.
I was about to sing.
But anyway, let's go on the stuff.